All right, are you trying to figure out how to make that right turn without hitting that freaking curve? Well, we're going to show you in this video. So the first thing you want to do is we're going to go ahead and move forward. Once the line disappears from the front of the car, a few seconds after, we come to a full stop. All right. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to wait until our mirror, passenger mirror, passes the curve. Okay, so the moment the passenger mirror passes the curve, that's when you'll turn. So as you're approaching, once it passes it, do that turn, and that way you will never hit the curve when you're making that turn, and you will never go too wide. All right, so this is how it's going to look when you're doing it from the outside. Again, you want that passenger mirror to pass the outside curve, the outside part of the curve, before you start turning that wheel, okay? Nice and slow, don't need a lot of gas. Once your passenger mirror passes, you'll turn. It looks like it's gonna hit and it'll never hit. From the outside, nice and slow, we're gonna go forward. Once that mirror passes the curve, he starts turning all the way, and that back tire will never hit. Good job. All right, now you're going to see it from the yellow line. And he never touched the yellow line.